Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. If you're a mom, you know you have to have wipes with you wherever you go. But who wants to carry around an ugly package of wipes everywhere? I have found the perfect thing for making sure that I still look cute while carrying around my baby supplies. This is the Itzy Ritzy reusable wipe pouch, and this holds up to 30 wet wipes in here. I love how cute the pattern is. It's so pretty and it's really easy to refill, and the wipes never dry out. It's almost better than keeping them in the package they come in. It has this cute little wristlet too, so you can attach it to things or carry it on your wrist while you're out and about. It opens up nice and wide for refilling, so once you put them in the top, it all just snaps closed like a zipper and you're all ready to go, and they stay nice and moist. I love how cute this wipes pouch is, but also that it keeps them nice and moist and they don't dry out. And that's my point of view.